अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स की तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी कि सर आप अपने चैनल पर लेटर्स, ज्वाइनिंग लेटर्स, सर्टिफिकेट्स, इस टाइप्स के टेम्पलेट्स अपलोड कर दें और उसको वर्ड फॉर्मेट में अपलोड कर दें ताकि हम उसको एडिट कर सकें विद फॉर्मेटिंग। किसी स्कूल, कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी में हैं और टीचर को हायर करना चाहते हैं तो उसकी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या क्या होंगी, वो सारी इस जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन लेटर में आपको देखने को मिल जाएंगी।
Job description, teacher, report to, principal, department/subject. Primary functions. Teacher will mainly be responsible for conducting classes, implementing activities, and completing the course/syllabus timely and smoothly in compliance with the aim and objectives of XYZ school. Key responsibility areas. Plan and prepare lesson plans and instructional materials that facilitate the active learning of students. Plan and prepare extracurriculum activities for the students such as educational trips, contests, quizzes, speech competitions, science exhibitions, observance of international days and other activities instructed by the management of the school. Maintain discipline in class in accordance with the rules and disciplinary system of the school. Encourage and monitor the progress of the students, on individual basis, and use information to adjust teaching strategies. Provide appropriate feedback to the students with encouraging words and appreciation. Ensure punctuality and regularity of the students and ensure that their school uniform is clean and tidy. Ensure classroom is clean and orderly and well decorated with the subject-related charts/diagrams. Assign and grade classwork, homework, tests, and assignments. Maintain accurate and complete formal and informal assessment record of the students and timely submit the record to the coordinator. Maintain accurate and complete attendance record of the students and timely submit the attendance record to the coordinator. Ensure your presence and active participation in all professional development programs organized by the management of the school. Participate in departmental, school and parent meetings. Communicate necessary information regularly to students, management, and parents regarding students' progress and students' needs. Perform any other activity or task related to the institution as communicated by the management of the school. Demonstrate polite, respectful, and lawful behavior during all activities and be a role model for the students and other staff members. Perform the invigilation duties as per the instructions of the coordinator. Perform other duties as per the instructions of the management. Other requirements. Corporal punishment to the students is strictly prohibited and the management will not tolerate such kind of acts. Ensure the provision of friendly, safe, and conducive learning environment during the stay at VM Public School. The school management will not tolerate any form of harassment/bullying based on race, religion, ethnic difference, personality, and gender while working in the school. Ensure that a term should be completed by the teacher and no resignation will be entertained before the completion of a term. Education and experience required. B.A/B.S degree in teaching from an accredited institution. 3 to 4 years of experience in the relevant field. Core skills. Presentation and verbal and written communication skills. Team building skills. Attention to detail. High work standards. Teaching skills. Knowledge of safety and security procedures. Ability to work independently. Patience for working with students of all ages. Employee name and signature, principal signature, date prepared.
अगर आप इसकी शॉर्ट फाइल हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाएं, वहाँ पे आपके पास लिंक आ रहा है, उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो इसको अपने पास आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इसमें जो भी आपने एडिटिंग करनी है वो एडिटिंग कर लें, आपका लेटर रेडी है।